Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you how to log, print and edit in PDF using PDF element. Let's get started. Open a PDF file and go to Protect menu and click the Set Password and check mark the permission password. Set the password and print permission. Printing is restricted on this file, or you can add low resolution, high resolution printing. Just I will add print restricted and change the permission edit. No changes are allowed on this file. Action allowed, insert, delete and rotate, and click the save. Close this document. Open this document again. Now check the printing is disabled, and now check the editing. Editing is disabled. If you want to edit this document, click the enable editing and set the password. Now you can edit this document and print this document. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.